guys, welcome to Traveling with the Boyds. We're just going to do a quick tour of the inside of our caravan. So we have a New Age Road Owl 21-foot adventure. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you. On your left hand side is the bedroom. So we have a nice double-sized mattress. We have plenty of storage space in the bedroom area, along with your 12-volt adapters up the top, and then 240 down the bottom as well for charging in laptops, phones, the jazz. We also have lights on either side, so you just press that once and you get your blue light, hold it in, you get that brighter light, one press and it'll be completely off. Part of the bedroom, we also have our TV on that side, which is close to a window, which is also good. You also have a light above the bed and plenty of storage underneath this bed as well. Alrighty, so this is our kitchen. We have a 4-burner gas cooktop along with the grill. Plenty of cupboard space. I do like the bench, how big it is. We will, when we go away on our next trip, probably bring our coffee machine and sit it here. By the way, we did forget that with our first trip. Up here is the battery. If you want, Jeremy can do an overview of the battery in another video just to show you what the Road Owl has to offer. We've got our microwave, lots of cupboard space, drawers. If you come over here, we've got our fridge. So it has a 3-way function, so gas, 240, battery, and just your settings on how cold you want your fridge and freezer to be. This is actually a really good, decent sized fridge, which we'll let you guys have a quick look inside. Lots of space in there, and it's the same with the freezer as well. It's pretty decent size. And then you just have your plug-ins on this side as well, so you've got 2 here.
So we do have the fridge turned off while we're not using it, and we do clean it out just so it doesn't get any mold or anything in there. That's just while we're doing storage. And
it's ready to go for our next trip.
Exactly.
Alrighty, so as you're walking in, already covered the left side, this is the right side. So we have a BM Pro battery. So if you like, Jeremy can go through all this when he does the battery video. We've also got the lights up here. So these 2 are for inside. This one is for outside. Lots of hooks. So we were putting our hats up there and keys as well, just so we didn't lose anything while we were away. Also up the top we've got our storage compartments, so we were using these as our pantries while we were away. So this one up here, we just had our snacks, our stuff for dinner, sauces, main meals. Up here we had breakfast, and then we had Avalia's food up here, which just gave some separation and just a bit of organization. Up here we've got our radio. So this can hook into the TV inside, just to give you that extra volume. You can also channel it to outside where there are 2 speakers, so you can listen to music, or you can even listen to the TV as well, which was really good. Big massive window, so all of the windows have that complete block out, or if you do pull them down, it's just your mosquito as well. So just close that one back up. We do have our 240s, which we put double adapters in. We do have the lights as well. We do have the leather upholstery, which was really good because we just wiped it over after Avalia had dinner on it, which made just cleaning a lot easier. Leather upholstery for the pouch, so we were putting Avalia's books in here. When we were traveling, we also put the microwave dish as well, just so it didn't get broken in the microwave. There is a table missing, so it did come with a table. We just took it out just to put Avalia's porta cot there, just so we still had that walk space to walk around it when we were coming in while she was asleep and stuff. Also up the top here we've got our Gree aircon. It was pretty easy to change the settings, maneuver around. You can do all that directly on the aircon, or the remote is here on the wall as well. And you do have your lights up here, which they're very bright, which is good. So this part is just basically the back end of the caravan. So where we've got our bunk beds. So we do have 2 bunk beds, which was an upgrade because usually there is 3. Which is kind of worked out good for us because, you know, the height in them is just, you get that bit more. And this whole bottom bunk bed underneath it is complete storage, which, you know, is great. Each bunk bed has its own personal window. It does have the same light function and the 12 volt as well, which would be good when Avalia gets older. She can use those. Next to the bunk beds, we've got plenty of cupboard space. So we were using this for Avalia's clothes, towels, linen, bit of Max's dog food, stuff like that, tins. So lots of storage space, which was really handy. There is a light above here as well, which we can turn off with these light switches here. Alright, so this is the bathroom. We've got basically a his and hers cupboard space, so plenty of room to put everything up there. I had hair straighteners, makeup, basically nearly everything up there, which was good. Big decent size mirror, and then we've got our porcelain sink, plenty of bench space, which is great. And again, you've got your power points in here. With the vanity, I did really like this a lot because there is plenty of shelving. We had our toilet rolls there, just, you know, but a few towels just to quickly grab, and there's just more storage space in there as well. The toilet is just in the middle, and then above the toilet you do have the window, which is really good as well. Alrighty, and this is our shower in the Rodale. The one big thing that I loved about this shower is the fact how high the base is, that I can actually fill it up like a bathtub for Avalia to have a bath in. It was pretty good pressure. You know, could wash my hair out with shampoo and stuff like that. The racks that we do have on the side, we did get those from Bunnings. They were really, really good. They didn't come off at all when we were driving. And then at the ceiling, we do have where you can open it up and have some fresh air come through. That's where the vent is as well, and you've got a little light in the shower. You know, it's a very good shower, very easy, convenient for families. So I hope you guys liked the tour of the inside of our Rodale. I've tried to do the best with explaining where everything was. Still learning. This is very new to all of us. So I hope you guys really liked the video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and comment. Just if you've got any cool you know, tips and tricks on how to make this, you know, a lot better than what we've got, more homely and stuff like that, because, you know, we are going to be using this a lot.
Yeah, so we're going to be trying to use it at least once or twice a month, so we're going to be getting some good use out of this. Look out for more videos coming up. I will be doing an outside video and maybe some tutorials on how to use some things on the outside. As well as that, we have our new vehicle coming soon. We've been worded up. We've been waiting for a while, and we've been worded up by the dealership that everything that ARB is going to be putting on the vehicle should be done in the next couple of weeks. So as soon as we get that vehicle, we will be putting out a video on that and what we've done to it. So yeah, and then we do have a few trips coming up as well. So until then, stay happy and enjoy your time on holidays if you're still on holidays. If not, suck eggs, you're back at work just like us next week. So
I'm back.
So no worries, we'll sign out right now. So see you guys.